The drive for me to fight is I just like to win. Nothing else makes sense for me. I don't want to do anything else with my life. I mean, I have other goals and aspirations along this journey, but I want to get them because of fighting. What's up guys, my name is Paige VanZant and I am a professional fighter for the UFC, and today I'm going to break down my top 5 favorite moves. My nickname is 12 Gauge.
12 Gauge Paige!
I actually got that from my dad way before I was here in the UFC. I was on a shooting team in middle school. I'm a little country girl from Oregon, so 12 Gauge just kind of stuck. I think a big misconception about fighting and about UFC fighters or mixed martial arts in general is that it's very violent, that we're these barbaric people, which is absolutely not the case. You know, it's actually, I feel, a lot safer than a lot of sports. I've been hurt a lot worse cheerleading than I ever have fighting. So, this is my husband. He's a professional fighter for Bellator, so he's actually one of my main training partners. So he's the person I kick in the head quite frequently, which I'm gonna show you how to do. Number 1, being tough. I believe that is a move. It's something you cannot learn, and it's something you're born with, and I was definitely born with some toughness. Number 2, my switch kick, which is funny. TJ Dillashaw, he's the one who actually showed me this kick. He calls it, I feel like they called it a kick the can, but where you fake a low kick. I did a low kick 3 or 4 times, so I got her constantly getting ready for that low kick to come, and then she went to block the low kick. I threw a high left kick. So I get him checking that low kick over and over again. He just thinks this low kick's coming. So that opens up his whole head on this side. Try not to. Number 3, the Yair Rodriguez up elbow when he knocked out the Korean zombie. So I'm gonna act like I'm gonna shoot, and then go. Elbow. That was, he was down on the cards and out of nowhere was able to spin and throw an up elbow. The tornado kick for number 4. I love tornado kicks. They're something that's really flashy. They come out of nowhere. It's really hard to stop somebody coming forward like that because you just don't really know what's coming next or what kick they're gonna throw. Number 5 for me is the heel hook. So the reason I love it so much is because it's very dangerous. People tend to tap very quickly because it puts their knees at a very high level risk for injury. It's actually the first submission I ever learned with Ken Shamrock way back in the day when I was like 15. So I like to lace up this one under and hook the leg. Then he can't come up. Whoever has a better ground game is gonna get the submission first, and then I can roll over to like a top heel hook or a knee bar.